Log in. By the end of this video, you will be able to log in to the teacher software in classroom mode. Log into the teacher software in standalone mode. Once you have installed the teacher software on your computer, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network generated by the AugmentedArc system. A classroom configuration uses a Wi-Fi router that creates the network called AugmentedArc, and it requires no password. A standalone configuration creates a Wi-Fi access point. A router is not required, and the Wi-Fi access point network is called AugmentedArc, followed by your unit's serial number. This network requires the password AugmentedArc. Next, open the teacher software on your computer. The login screen will appear with a default instructor that requires the default password AugmentedArc. For a standalone with access point activated and classroom configurations, the default IP address is always 10.0.0.1. Additional network configurations are available. To obtain the IP address for standalone configurations, log in as an administrator on AugmentedArc. Press the button for System Settings to view the Ethernet or Wi-Fi IP address. Enter the IP address in the teacher software screen and click Login. The first time you log in to the newly installed teacher software, it may take several minutes to synchronize with the simulator. After it loads completely, you will be able to work offline. If you lost or don't remember your password, click Forgot Your Password in the login screen. Enter your email, answer the security question, and assign a new password. In the case that you can't recall the answer for the security question, contact Miller Tech Support. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.